she was in Dubai, she they call me, call, they call and call and call. They call and because me not answer, she they wonder if a woman be got at the yard while she in a Dubai. Me have to tell her, say, yo, just take it easy. You have to remember, say, I have to sleep so that I can get up to go to work in the night. So when you they call me, I am sleeping, trying to get some rest to go to work. So all of a sudden they make it seem like I am a suspicious character. Like, what you think? I got man at the house? Yes, because every time me they call you, now answer the phone and it seem as if you're happy say me gonna Dubai. It seem as if you're happy say me gonna Dubai. You're too comfortable. Me they cut me vacation short and come back home because I want to see what's going on. You're not supposed to feel so comfortable. And you need to answer the phone when me I call you. Guys, when she come home back from Dubai, hell broke loose. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and I am back at it again. Thanks again guys for tuning in one more time. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. So guys, guess what? So see what's going on here. This one, even though I'm cracking up, I am so cracking up. So, we're gonna jump right into it guys. So, the other day, my wife, she mentioned to me that she want to go on a trip to Dubai. And she had asked if she want us to go as a family. I said, no, go by yourself. Take some time off for yourself, man. I will go and go along the fort while you're there. Just talk to your mother. Make she know that, yo, you're gonna leave out for a couple of weeks, and if she can come over and stay with the kids them while I am at work in the night, because I work night shift, so you know somebody have to be in the house. So, you know, we work out the thing them, and I say, yeah man, yo, take some time off, man. You know, enjoy yourself and ray. So she say, alright, she was if and butting whether she should go, yes or not, because, you know, we have twins, I also have a special needs child, Maximus, you know, and she was contemplating whether she should go, and I said, yo, go enjoy yourself, man, you deserve it, man, just go take the rest, and ray. Even while she was saying that, she said, why you sound like say you want me to go, so or you sound happy like you want me to go so you can do something. So I said, what are you talking about? I don't get it. No, I'm there just being myself. I said to her, what you talk about? If you want to take a vacay to go to Dubai, just take the break, man. Go enjoy yourself. Go enjoy yourself. Go relax. I don't have no vacation time right now, so I can't take off to be with the kids. Just talk to your mother and let she know to come over, and she can stay over. I will go to work, and then when I come in, she can go do her thing. But take the time off, man. Go enjoy yourself in Dubai. Go ride some camel. Go see some sheik and some Arabs and some, you know, and go up in the Caliphate and go play in the sun of Dubai or something like that. Go chill, enjoy yourself. So eventually she make up her mind and she say, all right, she will go up on the trip and enjoy her. So she asked, what do you want me to bring back for you? I said, the only thing I want for you to bring back for me is some dates. Which she did brought me a barrage of dates. Yeah, she did. And, you know, happy that didn't want nothing, didn't have to really even tell her to bring nothing for me, because that's how she is. She just buys stuff. Anywhere she goes, she just buys stuff for me, you know. I rarely buy clothes for myself. My wife just, when she goes, she just buys stuff for me. Even so, I tell her sometimes, I don't like to have a lot of clothes because I wear uniform, go to work. So, you only buy up in the cheaper clothes and they only be there in packaging, in boxes. She do what she have to do because that's the type of relationship we have. So, time she fly out and say, yeah man, go and go enjoy yourself and blah. You say to me, yo, oh, you sound so happy like say you want me to go. Oh, you sound so happy. How are they going, man? How are they going? You sound so happy. I'm so happy with what? I'm not happy say they leave, but I'm happy that you're able to take some time off. You know, go enjoy yourself, man. Go and enjoy yourself. You deserve it. Take a break. You know, just relax. Go enjoy yourself. Now she they give me this crazy look like say I am up to no good. I said just take it easy, man. You know. So she said, oh, all of a sudden I put on lock screen on my phone. I said, even though I put on lock screen on my phone, Alex still can open it. It's just that I do it because Max is taking up my phone and he's calling everybody in Jamaica. He's been calling calling up all of the family in Jamaica, and so that's why I put on a lock screen. I didn't put on a lock screen to hide anything from anybody. Alex still can go in the phone. If you want to open the phone, even though I know that you don't search my phone or anything, if you want the code, I can give it to you. Or Alex has the code because Alex always have my phone and I ask her to search for stuff for me. She do it. So Alex can open the phone, but I do it to prevent Max from going in there and to be calling people and to be opening up my files and man or sort of something. So that's why I put it there. I don't put it there because me have no woman and they hide anything. So I said, if this is what is causing you to be thinking that I am happy for you to leave because I have woman out there, I said nothing like that, man. I said enjoy, go and enjoy yourself. Guys, while she is in Dubai, phone a ring off, phone a ring off, phone a ring off, phone a ring off. Mind you, I work in the nights. I go to bed around 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. to get up at sometime 9:30, quarter to 10 or 10 o'clock to go to work because I work on the night shift. So by then the time that I cannot be really up, so phone the ring and I am sleeping. I am sleeping. Now some people gonna say, well, if you know say your wife the call, you're supposed to answer the call. Yes, guys, but if you the working at the night, if you don't get a proper sleep, you dey go fall asleep on the job, and if boss catch you the sleep, an immediate fire. You see it? So I told my wife, say, listen me, when I reach home in the day, I will call you. Even though there's a different time zone between Dubai and America, you know. I told her that when I reach home in the morning, I will call you, but during these hours, I have to be sleeping, you know. I can't really get up there on the phone and talk, or I'm going to be up, I'm going to have bloodshot eyes, miserable and go to work, and then when sleep start tumbling upon me now, boss going to catch me asleep, I'm in big trouble, so you have to understand. So she still a call. Sometime I did wake up and answer the phone, and you know, with the talk, she can talk to the kids them and Ray. I said, guess what? The kids them is the kids are on vacation, so you can call during the morning when they are here, you know, so that you can talk to them. But in the night, they have to be going to bed at 7 o'clock. I have to give them a shower, give them their dinner, and then get them ready for bed. So sometimes they must sleep already, so call them in the morning. Oh, when me a call you not answer the phone. Me know say you ain't want me if you leave the yard. Me know say you ain't want me if you leave the yard because something up. And who you got at the yard with you? Me say, how somebody to be at the yard with me? How another woman to be at the yard with me when Alex no hide nothing. And mother-in-law is here. How am I supposed to bring woman in the yard? I don't get it. You sound suspicious. You're too happy. Say me God. You're too happy. And then on top of that, you know, answer the phone. Something up. Me go cut me vacation short and come home because you too happy. Me no like how you happy. Like say you're glad. Say me God. I'm saying to her, how am I sounding happy that you're gone? I am happy that you're able to take some time off and to be enjoying yourself. So I'm not supposed to show happiness for that. I'm supposed to like say, boy, my wife gone and Ray, oh, my wife they go. No, because knowing you would turn to me and say, okay, they cancel the vacation, you go stay home. So rather, I rather be happy and smile and say, go enjoy yourself. Now, if you can't deal with that, I don't understand. But me now go stab you up my face and say, how you dey go gone so and you dey left the kids in family. Me say no, because anytime that you want me to go to Jamaica to take care of stuff, you tell me to go. And you take care of the kids them and take care of everything. And you now say, boy, oh me they left and gone. You say no, because I understand that you have to go, so go on and take care of the stuff. So it's in the same way I'm looking at it. Just like how you want me to go and take care of business, I want you to go and enjoy yourself, get away from it all. Because even you sometimes I say, oh, we get on your nerves and we drive you crazy. Me and Max and Alice, they drive you crazy. We make you can't get no sleep and ray. So no, you go enjoy yourself, man. I'm not happy me happy say you're gone. But I'm happy that you're able to take some time off far away from us. You know, you don't hear us. They shout and they scream and they make up noise and say, Mommy, we need drinks. Mommy, we need ice cream. Mommy, we need dinner. Mommy, we need breakfast. Mommy, we need lunch. No, go and let somebody take care of you, man. So then she calmed down. Couple days after again, she pick it up. Oh, you not call me. Me realize you not call me. Oh, you not call me. Oh, you not call me. You spend all of the time they call the girls. And me say, which girls am I calling? You not call me. You not call me. All of a sudden, you not call me. Me not. When me they call you, you not answer. And you not call me. So me say, how you mean me not call you? Of course I'm calling you. Of course I'm calling you. I may not be calling you every second. Yes, if you call me every second, if you call me every second, you need to call me. I need to hear your voice. I said, what? I said, I am calling you. And I call you sometime, and also when I call you, you're telling me that the service is not picking up so properly, and sometimes I don't get you, you know. So when I call you, get you the call. Sometimes that is the time that the call go through where I can talk to you. It's not that I'm not calling you and that I don't want to talk to you. She don't want to hear that, guys. She don't want to hear that. Sometimes I realize she said she want to talk to Holly. Holly take the phone and gone with the phone. So I say, Holly, come with my phone. She said, come at the lab. I say, what you and mommy they talk about? I say, okay. Me know what they go on. You know what they go on. You know, try to cook up against me. So we there and you know, mother-in-law the year, they help out. Come home in the morning. Me tell her, say like, stay for your extra hour so me can just take a shower and get some rest, and then when I wake up back, you can go. But right now me feel tired, you know. If you leave right now, me don't fall asleep and leave the kids there. So, you know, she will stay and till me get a shower, take a liquor nap, and then get up back already. And then you think, say, after talking to her and trying to make she understand, it would ease our worries and ease our fears. No, it get worse. Me I come home because you sound too happy in your voice. You sound too happy like say you're glad say me gone on vacation. You sound too happy like you're up to something. You're up to something. The first thing, me see you lock your phone, and then all of a sudden, me they call you now answer, and you hardly call me. Something suspicious you go on. Me they come home. I said to her, why are you cutting your vacation short? Enjoy your vacation, man. What are you worrying about? Enjoy your vacation there. Nothing now go. Your mother is here. The kids are here. How am I gonna have woman? I work at nights. Where the woman they go come from? If you want to know if me have woman, the phone is there. You can search my phone and see if no woman in the woman they talk to and rare. I leave my phone every time here and go to work. Alex they play with my phone, Max they play with my phone. So no woman now call here. So when you don't say, boy, something suspicious, I don't get it. Say she they come home. All the talk me they talk to her and make sure know say, yo, nothing now go on. Everything alright. Me and the kids them and your mother there. We just they try do it thing. We deal with Max. And Alex, your mother, they help me out in the best way the best way she can, even though she can't manage when the two of them start hacked up. So I said, just take it easy, man. But you know, she claimed that I was too happy. I was too relaxed, and me make it seem as if I couldn't wait for her to go on vacation, and it's like me get the chance to do what me want supposed to do. And I'm now wondering like what's going on, you know? But she says she's cutting her vacation short and she's coming home because she no like the vibes. Me too happy. Me too happy. It sounds as if me glad so she gone on vacation, and she no understand because she pick up the rake from my went ahead and put lock code on my phone, and the two is something suspicious, something fishy. So I say, hey, if you want to cut your vacation short and come back home, hey, if that's what you got to do to feel happy, hey, do it. Or anyway, she didn't cut her vacation short to do her vacation till the last 2 days before she come home. She call and she tell me, say, when me come home, we're gonna have to have a talk because me no like the vibes. I don't like the vibes. You put lock code on your phone, and then you sound like say you're happy say me gone on vacation, and you sound like say you couldn't wait for me to gone. So when me come home, both of you go talk about it. Guys, the day when she come home, nobody was at the house. I took the kids them out for a walk. Man, you would have think say I want stranger. Where you there? Call it, where you there? 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 Where you there with me pinning them? Which woman you hang out with me pinning them? Where me pinning them there? Where you there? Where you there? Where me pinning them there? I said, darling, we are in the park across the street. Where you there? Where you there? Me come pick you up right now. Me come pick you up right now. Because the two vehicles them park up in a driveway. Where you gone? Where you there? I said to her, well, Alex has a bike and I put Max in the wagon. Which part in I parking them come over there right now? Come over office here. How are you over there and pity them? Me say, what? Guys, I don't know. Me say, take it easy, man. Take it easy. We the right around the corner. We coming. Right around the corner. Come round, me see her. Before me reach up to give her a hug. Me know why you hug me. Where you come from in picking them? How are you over the park? Who and you was over the park? I want to know who and you was over the park. Me no want you to hang out with no woman with my kids them. I said, which woman? Whoa, guys, I don't know, but me no know how would I get in her head, but I don't know because me just stick by myself and me no know, but maybe the way how I dealt with she going away, I should have shown more worry than happy, because me not showing a worry face was like being interpreted as if I am happy say she leave. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I think she finally, eventually she calmed down, and you know, we talk, and she said she just didn't like the fact that me let it seem as if I couldn't wait for her to leave and couldn't wait for her to go on vacation, like I had some ulterior motive, as if I had something cook up, as if I had something planned. You know, she didn't like the vibes. So I said, but hold on, man. Hold on. Whenever I'm going to Jamaica, or whenever you're sending me down to Jamaica to do stuff, you tell me to go and do what I'm doing. You know, you don't look at it no way when you're doing that. Even when people tell you, say, why you allow your husband to be going to Jamaica by himself, you don't make it worry you. So how is it when you they go on a vacation and me, you know, happy say they go, you are interpreting wrong? I say, not like that, man. I said nothing like that. You know, it's just that I know within myself that if I say that, oh, who you leave, we and them ray, and so I know you will not go, you will change your mind. You know, I know you will change your mind. So, and it's nothing, man. If I had a woman, you would have know. Cause if left the phone all the time. The kids, them playing with the phone every time, playing their games and whatsoever. They would see pictures in it and be asking you, mommy, who is this somebody? Cause the kids are, every time they're in my photo gallery, looking at pictures, sending pictures to their families in Jamaica and messages. So if they saw anything suspicious, I know that they would have say, oh, especially Alex. I used to say, mommy, look at this. So it's nothing to worry about, man. You know, anytime you need a vacation, take the vacation. I know it's a lot. You know, I know you have a lot on your plate, and whenever you say, Manix, I want to take a vacation, I'm not going to tell you not to go. I'm not going to look sabby or look like, say, or they go ask you, where they go on vacation for? No, I'm going to tell you to go. Enjoy yourself, because it's a lot. I know it's a lot on you sometime, and, you know, I don't know, guys. But she's all right now. She calmed down and she's okay, you know. And I get it why she felt that way, you know. I understand why she felt that way, honestly. Yeah, I tell her, anytime you want to go on a vacation, just go by yourself. I don't have a problem with you going on vacation by yourself. Go get away from us, take some time off, be by yourself. I don't have a problem with it, you know. I'm happy when you can take a vacation and go by yourself. She said she want to go to England next time, probably next year. I said, no problem. You want to go to England, go to England. Anytime you want to fly out and go by yourself. I don't have no problem with it. I am happy that you can get away from us, you know, because it's a lot to deal with work and then come in, twins driving you crazy, me driving you crazy and all of that stuff. I said, no, go on your vacation. She did enjoy herself in Dubai, but for a better part of it, she was there worrying about Max and if I'm going to be able to manage both of them and if I'm going to get along with her mother and all of that stuff, and why am I not answering her phone calls, why am I not calling her, you know, it seems suspicious. But I guess all those stuff you got to factor it in, you know, I don't know. But she enjoy herself. Yeah, she said she want to go back, but next time she want to go back as a family, so let's see how that work out. Yeah. She enjoyed herself. She brought back I told her to bring back some dates. She brought back a barrage of stuff for me. Maybe the way how I dealt with it, I don't know. She enjoyed herself though, so I let her know, hey, nothing is going on, man. There's nothing if there's nothing up, there's nothing underneath my sleeve. I am not doing anything wrong or keeping any woman, having any woman on you or nothing like that, you know. So just take it easy and just do your thing, man. I don't know. Maybe next time around this time she go to England, she gonna say, oh, I'm not gonna leave you guys. All of us have to go. All of us going this time around. We ain't leaving you with the kids. I leave you by it. Nah, we're going. Everybody's going now. Yeah, but she's good though. Nice lady, wonderful lady. You know, love her to death. Love her personality and everything. Bless up yourself, guys. Thanks again one more time for tuning into the channel. Bless up yourself every time. You know, that's how I do it on my channel. I talk the stuff, I talk my story, my journey. And hopefully my experience can be a blessing to you and your journey in life. Stay tuned. Have yourself a blessed one. From Manix Fabrici TV. Bye-bye.